Just let it free fall on its own. And then they're there. Yeah. Oh, that's it. What's up, everybody? Derek here, and I'm down on the creek again. I'm coming down here. I got just a little bit of time, like 45 minutes, to see if I can come catch some fish. It has been tough fishing right now on the creeks and on the ponds and everything. Trying to find the fish, that it's like they disappeared. Canals, rivers, creeks. I mean, I go places and I just don't even see them, much less catch them. So I came down to one of my favorite spots. I'm way up above the creek here, and I'm gonna go down here and see if I can't maybe catch a bass or sunfish or bluegill or something. Just a fish will make me feel a lot better, because when I go on a drought, I just want to go catch some, because I start to lose my confidence a little bit. But let's get to fishing. There is actually a bass right there up shallow. I got my waders on, so I was planning on going out in the water, but no sense taking off. Oh, there's several fish right there. No sense taking off just yet and just taking off and going fishing when they're right in front of you. I've been here before, but it's been quite a while since I've been here. Oh, that's a bass right there. Good 2-pounder right in front of me. Work my way over here. This is highly pressured. There goes bass right there. This is a highly pressured spot, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out into the water where a lot of those fish probably don't get fished as much. Wonder how muddy this is. Pretty muddy. I am waist deep. Look what I found. I might take that back with me. Here's what I got. I'm all out of Nico Helgramites, which I have fallen in love with, but basically I just took a crawl bait and took just a regular Eagle Claw hook that I had. It was one of the last ones that I had in there for the right size. And I basically made this thing to try to look like a Helgramite a little bit. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's worth a shot. I moved up above them just to see if maybe I could get a little bit more insight, see what's in there, because these fish have moved. They're not where I usually would think they would be. Oh, I had that one. He wanted it, finally. All right, I quickly switched over to a panfish assassin. Been a little while since I used one of these, but these things work awesome. There's so many bluegill and stuff in here. I'm gonna see if maybe I can get one to bite. I don't know. We'll just have to see. If I can make it. Made it. Let me see if I can get down in this water. Right here. Hopefully it's not too muddy. Oh no, that's a hard bank. All right, let's give this a shot. Can actually get it out there. There's a fish right there. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at the size of this thing. Oh, that is awesome. Oh, that thing got tore up by something. That is a beautiful redbreast right there. Can you lip them? Oh yeah. Pretty fish. That thing got tore up. Oh, and I about hooked myself. Thank you, bud. I hope that's not the only fish I catch. It has been so tough. We've had a cold front and it finally warmed up a little bit today into the 50s, so I guess we shall see if I catch another one or not. I have fished here I don't know how many times, but this spot has always been so good to me. So let's see if there's any hanging out down in here. Let it drop. Oh, I just had one. There's one right there. Yes! The drought is over. That's 2 fish. Thanks, bud. Let's do it again. Already we're on. Oh, that's a good one. Right there. That's a good one. Putting up a fight. Come here. Get up here. Did I foul hook you? Why you? Oh no. That's a bluegill. That one's a bluegill. That is a good looking bluegill. Look how fat he is. Pretty colors on that one. Pretty, pretty. My goodness. All right, we're gonna let you go, bud. Thanks. All right, let's do that again. That's what? 1, 2, that's, I think I've cast here 3 times possibly. That's 2 fish right there. And this spot. It's always been such a good spot. I'm already on. I'm already on. Oh, that's another good one. Oh, another good one. What do we got this time? Oh my gosh. Cool. Look at the size of this one. Oh, we gotta weigh this one. I don't have much time, but we gotta weigh this one. We got a 0 right there. Almost beats my record. I've caught a .65 before. All right, thank you, bud. All right. That was a good size one. Let's see if we can get another one. That's what, 4 casts? I believe. They are out there, that's for sure. Oh, wait, is it gonna make it back? No fish. Oh, my plastic was messed up a little bit. There we go. Now let's see if that made the difference. Cast right out there in that little spot, right there off that eddy. Let it drop a little bit and then slow reel it. Oh, there was a hit. I think I was reeling too fast instead of letting it drop. Let it drop. And just feel for it. Right there. Oh, man. Let it drop again. Let it drop again. Oh, right under the waterfall. All right. Last cast, pretty much. Oh, this is tough. Because I'm on them now. This is why they're not as much downstream. They're right in this area. Oh, he was just there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah, come here, buddy. Get up here. Oh, gosh, another big one. Man. That's another, about the same size. Thanks, bud. We gotta try that one more time. Oh. One more time. I mean, they're just in that one spot right there in the center. I'm just gonna let it drop down. Keep slack out of my line, and they're just there. That is awesome. That's a bluegill right there. Nice. There's all kinds of species down there. Redbreast, bluegill. Thanks, bud. Oh, I keep saying one cast, but it seems like every cast I'm catching one. Oh, I didn't get as much distance out of that one. Pull the slack out of the line. Keep it tight. Just let it free fall on its own. And then they're there. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Dang. Oh, that is so much fun. Let go, bud. All right, thank you, buddy. One more cast. I mean, it's the way that I'm fishing it. All right, let's see if I can do it again. Throw it out there. Just let it drop. Pull my line tight. Oh, that was a hit right there. Pull my line tight and just let it fall on its own. Come on. I'm barely even reeling it, if you can see that. Barely. Just keeping the line tight. Where are you at? Jig it a little bit. Let it fall. And that current that's down there too is keeping it from falling too fast. Oh. All right, one more cast. This is really it. This is the last. Oh, no wonder I didn't catch one. The plastic came up. All right, we gotta be careful in this one. And I'm gonna call my shot again. We'll toss it out there real soft. Let it hit. Let it drop. And reel up my slack. And then they're just there. They're just there. Oh my gosh. Okay. I gotta call it quits. I gotta call it quits. Call it quits. One more cast. Oh gosh. Let it drop. Pull my line tight. And they're just there. That is so much fun. Oh my gosh. All right, thanks, bud. Oh, I love this spot. This spot is so awesome. I definitely have my confidence back now. I mean, I went up and down this creek for probably a quarter mile, half a mile at least, trying to catch some fish. They weren't really wanting to chase, but once I got to this current, that is one key that you got to always remember. One of the ways, if you're having trouble catching them, is to always find that current. And usually you can find some fish eddied up. It doesn't hurt that this water is probably a little bit warmer than the water that's coming through this creek, but it's really congregating them in this little area right behind me. But let me know if that's one of the things that you guys do, because I definitely go try to find current whenever I'm not catching them. But subscribe if you haven't already, like this video if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.